we are going to do a French braid. Now, French braid is a 3-strand braid, and we're going to bring the sides into the braid that will be in the middle. I will be using my advanced cap, where yellow represents the top of the head, orange represents the hair that's above the ear, red represents the hair that's at ear level, and pink is the hair below the ear or by the neck. So the 3-strand braid is when you bring the hair into the middle, coming from above. So I'm going to divide my yellow into 3 for my 3-strand braid, and everything will go into the middle from above. So I'm starting with my left strand. I'm going into the middle, and now my right hand strand goes into the middle, and now my left hand strand is going to go into the middle. I like to start with about 3 rotations before I bring the sides in. Because my last strand going into the middle was from the left, I am now going to start picking up the hair from the left. So orange on the left hand side is going to join the strand into the middle. And now the right hand yellow strand is going to go into the middle. And because it's coming from the right, I am going to grab orange from the right hand side to join that strand into the middle. And this is how you bring hair into the braid. Next, we have the yellow strand from the left, and it's going to go into the middle. Making sure I stay in the middle. Red from the left hand side is going to go into the middle to join the yellow strand. The right hand strand is 1. Yellow and orange are together. It's going to go into the middle. We are going to pick up hair from the right, red. Red is going to join into the middle. Next, our left hand strand, yellow and orange as 1, are going to go into the middle. Pink from the left is going to join. And the right hand strand, yellow and red as 1, goes into the middle, and pink from the right joins them into the middle. Now there's no more hair to pick up, so what we're going to do is finish the French braid by doing a 3-strand braid. Here's our 3-strand from the left, goes into the middle, and we just bring the outside strands into the middle until we run out of hair. And this is how you do your French braid. Let's go ahead and try this on the mannequin head. On the mannequin head, the yellow section from the braiding cap is the top section of the head. I'm going to divide this into 3 strands. 1, 2, 3. Making sure they're nice and even. Perfect. Now orange is going to be the hair above the ear. Red is going to be the hair by the ear. And pink will be the hair below the ear or by the neck. So I'm going to do 3 rotations to get the braid started. The left strand goes into the middle, and again everything is going to go from above. Then the right hand strand goes in the middle from above, and the left hand strand goes into the middle. From here is where I like to start picking up hair. Picking up from the left hand side, I'm going to grab hair above the ear or orange. Bring it into the braid to join the middle strand. Here we are. Now the right hand strand of the braid is going to go into the middle. And I'm going to grab hair from the right above the ear to join this middle strand. Grabbing hair from the right. Keeping the hair clean, you can either use your fingers or use a comb. Just make sure you keep it nice and clean. Here we are, now it is in the middle with the middle strand. Grabbing the left hand strand, putting it into the middle, continuing the braid. I am now going to grab hair at ear level, which is also red, to join the strand. And here it is. The right hand strand of the braid is now going to go into the middle. And we are going to grab hair from the right at ear level, also red, to join the strand into the middle. Keeping the hair clean. Here they are in the middle together. Continuing with the left hand strand, it's going to go into the middle. Grabbing hair by the neck or below the ear, this is going to go into the middle to join the middle strand. And here it is. And now the last right hand strand is going to go into the middle. And we're going to grab the last section on the side, pink, or the hair by the neck. And it's going to go into the middle to join the middle strand from the braid. From here, there's no more hair to pick up. So we are going to finish the French braid by simply doing a 3-strand braid. Everything from the outside will go into the middle from above. Going into the middle, outside strand goes into the middle, and you do this until you run out of hair. And this is your French braid.